Hey, what's going on YouTube? Got a box in from my boy War-Pig. War-Pig is a serious builder. He is constantly putting out material, constantly making mods, constantly sending them around, and for that I truly appreciate it. You know, he's hardcore in the hobby, that's for sure. He definitely has a big support system going on for all of our racing channels, and for that, I'm super appreciative. So, War-Pig, you're the man, for sure. Let's get right into this box and see what you have sent us today. Oh, looks like we got a few things in here. Information on the cars that are coming out. This side up, but we got stickers too. Gotta love some stickers. Rick and Morty. What is this? Does anyone know what this is? War-Pig, what is this from? Because it's super awesome. I'm putting that on the track somewhere. I will find a good spot for that. Some cool stickers. Appreciate that. Might find a spot for Rick and Morty too. Everybody loves some Rick and Morty. Alright, I don't know what is what, so let's go with the big mystery, this side up foam package. Ah, these are the mods. Oh, very interesting. Cool, let's start with this one. Really neat textured piece across the top. Something going across the top of the car. That is a definite War-Pig signature touch. Cool shape. I dig it. We got some sanded wheels. Let's get out the information on this one. This one is carbide. The driver is War-Pig76. The builder, War-Pig76, and the car name is Bullet Ant. I can see it. Definitely see that. Sanded wheels and added weight. Very cool looking. I like that. Such an interesting texture. That's cool. All right, let's get it on the scale. All right, here we go. And the Bullet Ant weighs in at 72.3 grams. That's a pretty good weight. Pretty good weight for Class A. And with that shape, should do pretty good. Should do pretty good. All right, next up. I got low battery, so I'm hustling. There we go. We got a Mazda. This is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata with a big old fat chunk of weight on top, weight underneath. This thing is heavy, War-Pig. Got some different wheels up front from the back. Cool beans. Let's see what this one weighs. All right, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. The driver, Big Ben. Car builder, War-Pig76 Garage. The car name, Leroy Jenkins. Has sanded wheels, wheel swap, added weight, and new paint. Well, didn't even tell you how much it weighed. Coming in at 88.9. We'll see how this does. Mazdas are weird. They're hit or miss, especially convertibles. Convertibles, for some reason, they just have issues on the fat track, at least for me, from the Kelly Motor Speedway. But this one has all that weight in the center. That will definitely make up for the lack of metal weight, on the top there. So I don't foresee that one having any issues. A lot of times the problem with convertibles, because it doesn't have a lot of weight in the middle, it tries to spin around a lot to throw whatever's the heaviest side, front or back. It just doesn't stay stable and straight. But with all that weight in there, I have a feeling that is going to stay nice and true. All right, we have a couple more things in here. I'm running low on battery, so I'm hustling. War-Pig security. Oh, interesting. War-Pig, hard to see. War-Pig security. War-Pig actually runs my security here if you don't know, at KMS. He brought along, gosh, why can't I find one right away? Here we go. War-Pig sent in 3 of these Matchbox Oshkosh, and War-Pig Security Solutions handles all the riffraff at KMS. And they're doing a good job too. We've had no issues since these buddies have been on board. So appreciate all the service. And we have another piece to add to the War-Pig security. Yes. All right. What security service is complete without a helicopter? Dude, that's awesome. All blacked out like that. Super FBI chopper looking. Well, I guess I got to make a helicopter pad now so that we can actually land and take this off. Very cool, War-Pig. Thank you. We will figure out some kind of helicopter pad. Very cool. And then he sent in the 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X. Very cool car. Does okay on the fat track. We'll put that to use in a race somewhere. Awesome. Very cool, War-Pig. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Stickers are cool. Mods are really cool. Helicopter. I'm gonna have to definitely build a landing pad. Never thought I'd have to put a helicopter landing pad in KMS, but here we go. Here we go. All right, War-Pig, thank you so much. I definitely appreciate it. War-Pig, you are a dedicated die-cast racer. That is for sure. And I appreciate you and your son. That's it. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.